I tear my heart open, I sew myself shut. My weakness is that I care too much. My scars remind me that the past is real. I tear my heart open just to feel. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Blaze Plays Guitar Lessons. I really appreciate your time. I want to teach you how to play this awesome song that was requested. This is Scars by Papa Roach, okay? If you guys have other songs you want to learn, whether they're punk or country or whatever, or like, you know, classic rock or something, let me know and I'll do my best to oblige you, okay? So real quick, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come up with new tutorials. And also, if you think the video is good and you hit like, more people will see it. That's how YouTube works. So please do that, all right? So, and also if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, all right? Let's get into it. So this is my guitar that I have that's always it's always tuned a half step down. So that means this song is tuned a half step down, all right? So I'm gonna show you how to play it, play the song now. So it's a pretty dang easy song. Sorry to swear, just kidding, I know it's not a swear word. So the way that the song starts is you're gonna start with the C chord, okay? So you're gonna do just like that, okay? So one single down strums for the intro part where you're just doing the chorus, you're just doing single strums, okay? And you should be able to play it this same way on an electric guitar because there's not like any crazy palm muting or anything like that, or like really intense rhythm guitar strums, okay? So you're gonna do C and you're gonna go, I tear my heart open. Okay, so you do C on, right before, I tear my heart open. Okay, then open, you're gonna do G. So I'm switching from C to this G. All right, you can do this one if you want, but it's just really easy to go from C to G like that, okay? So C, I tear my heart open, G on open, I sew myself shut. Okay, so you see how, now that's D minor. Okay, so you go on shut, you do D minor. Sew myself shut, my weakness is, okay, is where you're gonna play F, is that I care, okay, care is G, care too much. Then after much, you're gonna start over. So you're doing C, G, D minor, F, G, and then you're gonna start over with that. Okay, so you're gonna go C again. My scars remind me, okay, remind me is where you're gonna do G. Remind me that the past is real, okay, is real is where you're gonna do D minor. Real, I tear my heart open, okay, open is where you're gonna do F. Open, just as G, just to feel. Okay, so that's how you play the intro part. That's also going to be where you play the chords for the entire chorus. However, for the actual choruses, you play a different strumming pattern. So I'm going to show you how you go into the verse now, because that's the next thing you do. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to do A minor, just like A minor like that. Okay, you're going to do A minor, and then E minor, then F. All right, then G, and then start over. Okay, then back to A minor. So you're gonna do down, down, up, down, okay? Drunk and I'm feeling down, and I just wanna be alone. Okay, so you're gonna do A minor to start. And you're gonna do down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. That's the strumming pattern for this, okay? Down, down, up, 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 and then start over, okay? One more time, slowly, on how you do the strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, switch, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, switch, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, switch. Then you do the same thing, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, switch, down, okay? So just that down, down, up, down, all right? So you're gonna do A minor. Drunk and I'm feeling down. Down is where you do E minor. That's where you switch to E minor, okay? Down, and I just wanna be alone. Okay, alone is F. Alone, I'm pissed cause you came around. Around is G. Round, why don't you just go home? Home is A minor again, okay? Home, cause you channel all your pain. Pain is E minor. Pain, and I can't help you fix yourself. Okay, yourself is F. Self, you're making me insane. Okay, insane is G. Insane, all I can say is, and then you go into C. okay? See, after is. And you're gonna start with the chorus. Now, for the chorus, you're not gonna play, you're gonna play the chords in the same parts you did for the intro, but you're gonna play it, you're gonna do the strumming pattern a little bit differently. So you're gonna do, I tear my heart open. See that? So it's just down, down, up, down. So you're doing it like you did for the verse, but you're gonna slow it down just a little bit. Or you can actually just play it kind of like down. I tear my heart open, I sew myself shut. See, I'm just doing down strums, down. So I'm just doing down, 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 down. So you can do it that way too. Either one will work, okay? So you're gonna do, I tear my heart open. Open is G. Open, I sew myself shut. Okay, just like that. So again, you already know where to put the chords and everything because I showed you before, but it's just that you can just do that straight down, 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 down. Okay, or you can do down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So let's see, how does the lyrics go again? I forgot it. Let's see. I tear my heart open, I sew myself shut. My weakness is that I care too much. See, so it's really easy. Either one will work. If you want to kind of have more variance, you could just do the straight down ones, okay? Then you're gonna go into the second verse, and there's no like waiting at the end of the chorus going into the verses. You just go right into the A minor. I've tried to help you once. Okay, so you're just gonna go straight into it. Now, then you're gonna do the chorus again, then the third verse, and then after the third verse, you're gonna do the bridge. So for this part, I would actually just do single strums, okay? I can't help you fix yourself. Okay, so you're gonna do C before. I can't help you fix yourself. Then you do G, but at least I can say I tried. Okay, so you're just doing the same strumming pattern the same chord progression as the chorus here. So you're doing C on. I can't help you fix yourself. Okay, at the end of self, you're gonna do G, self, but at least I can say I tried. Okay, then you're gonna do D minor at tried. I'm sorry, but I've gotta move on. Okay, move on is F. Move on with my own. Okay, with my is where you're gonna do G. My own life. Okay, and then you're gonna do start over. Okay, so you're just doing the single strums here, okay? I can't help you fix yourself. And you just start over, so you're just gonna repeat that, except for you're not gonna play the last G. And that's it, that's the whole thing. So you do, I can't help you fix yourself, but at least I can say I tried. Okay, then D minor after tried. I'm sorry, but I've gotta move on with my own life. And then you go into the chorus, okay? That's how you play the whole song. It's super easy, and it's really great. So let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Please request more songs in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.